We are pleased to show you the 2016 C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, security system, memorized settings for 2 drivers, dual zone climate control, dual front airbags, tilt steering wheel, dual power seats, telescopic steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.